friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will show you how to slice an onion into slices. So here's the onion. First I'm going to cut off the ends. So I cut off both ends. And now I'm going to cut it in half. And now I will take off the peel. So when you cut it in half, it just makes it easier to take off the peel versus peeling the whole onion. And now so I peeled it perfectly, and now I will throw the peel out. And now just take onion halves and slice them into slices. So, if you want thin slices, just slice as thin as possible. And for thicker ones, do thicker, totally up to you. So here I cut the whole onion, and now just separate them into slices. So see how they're stuck together? So just separate them with your fingers. And you have perfect onion slices. Perfect. So it was super easy. Now you know how to do it in the quickest and easiest way. So for more cooking tips and very easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!